And this is another helpful stroke. It reminds me of the loop stroke. It's kind of like ease, for example. But what you're doing the same thing. The basic rule, golden rule, is to, when you go up, thin, around, thick, down, thin, thick, down, up, thin, around, thick, up, thin. So starting here at the baseline, we're going to go up, no pressure, coming around, thin, thick. So it's like from thin to thick, because you're going up, thin, and around, thick. And see there, you can see when I was mentioning earlier about the interest stroke, this is where you connect the letters. As you can see, when I'm going up, starting interest stroke and around, and then curving up in a slanted position, that's the interest stroke, where I can begin my next letter or form my next letter. So thin and around, thick, up, thin, up, thick, down. And here goes the interest stroke. So that's the entryway for me to form my next letter. So starting at this point, I form my next letter as I apply the same rules, going up, thin to thick.